Oh, hi guys! I heard you want to see tools I'm using for wrapping. I'm on the road right now, and it's not a fake video, so I have only the most important ones with me. I should have. Well, I hope I have. Maybe let's just check it. So, there is a seat with wheels. Really helpful when you're doing the lower sections. Maybe I'm getting more and more handsome, but definitely I'm not getting younger. So seat is on must-be list. Some tools, if I have to remove handles, mirrors, license plates, etc. Special towel, which I'm using for drying the car after car wash, if I know my car will be used for training at end user. And the bag. Okay, let's see what I got here. So there are samples of products for you guys. Tool bags, I have two of them. Nice one, clean one for demos, videos, expos, and completely dirty one. That one I'm using for real wrapping. So I have a marker here. I have knife with blades, of course 30 degrees, not to cut the paint. I have a squeegee. My favorite one is the orange one from Arlon. Actually, I approved it for Europe, so of course I like it. But seriously, I like it because it's soft enough to go around some curves, but at the same time it's really boardy, really stiff, so it allows me to use proper techniques on deep channels like in Renault Master and other vans with sharp angle. I have triangles. You can see they are really used because that's a very popular tool. And I love to use it when I'm dropping film under the rubber around windows. That thing, I have no clue what's that and what it's designed for, but I'm using it for scraping of double-sided tape, adhesive, etc. Glove. Well, this is the best glove I ever had. I have it already more than 2 years and it doesn't burn, difficult to cut it, it doesn't need any liquid. So I can use it to dry. I can wash it from time to time and then it looks like new. Then I have magnets. Yeah, absolutely the magnets. But you know, the cars are becoming more plastic, more aluminum, so not always helping. But yeah, I love them when I need them. That's all in my tool bag. Cleaning solution. I'm not really super connected to any brand. Distributors give me a lot of them for testing, so I just grab first one, whatever I just grab and I use it. They work very similar, so I do not support any brand here. Heat gun. Oh, that's the important part. That's the best heat gun I ever had, and there are 3 reasons for it. First of all, it's super cheap. And you need to know I'm a fleet wrapper. All my life I was wrapping fleets, so I was wrapping by their location and thousands of vehicles. So I used, I broke, I lost, and I killed hundreds of heat guns. So I need something cheap and I need something what I can trust. Second reason is that heat gun doesn't warm up. So as soon as I push the button, it's hot. And the third reason I love that heat gun are the buttons on the front. Because together with the fact that I don't have to wait until it's hot, I can do that if I need just a little bit of heat, or I can just push the button if I need more heat. So that gives me control on the tension during stretching and the speed I need in my fleet wrapping. Knifeless tape. Well, I shouldn't support any other brand, but it's not a vinyl, so I guess I can say a few words. But what's funny, I'm using that, but I'm not using that for what it was designed for cutting edges, etc. I'm using that mostly for making my overlaps really straight and really small, like 2 millimeters. So between the string and the edge. Masking tape, double-sided tape for the badges, some rag, adapter if I'm going abroad and I need a different plug, extension cord. I have no clue how it's called for holding the vinyl. Measure tape, I never use it. Laser. Well, I don't remember when I used it, but do as I say, don't do as I do. Runner and the brush. Well, I used it a lot when I was living in the US. I used it for the rivets on trucks, and later I stopped using that one. I started to use the roller, but here in Europe we almost don't have rivets, so I have no clue why those are here. Maybe the roller can stay because I use it sometimes for wall applications. I have some, oh, hold on, that's a cool tool. It looks very brutal. I use it for removing clips on the inside of door on every van. You know, these wooden or plastic covers. I know it's not the fancy toy, but it's with me already 15 years. And I started to use it before all these plastic beautiful tools became so popular in car wrapping. I have some extras for the blades, squeegees, triangles, gloves, magnets. Oh, there's one more thing. The laminate cut into stripes. I use it for securing some stretched edges of the film. And to be honest, guys, that's all I have here. As we are talking about the tools I always carry with me, I have to mention two very special things which travel with me as well. The ball, basketball ball for playing basketball, the basketball, whatever. I love to have it with me. I love to stop on a long drive and play a bit. That relaxes me, gives me energy to drive more. And the guitar. Guys, I came back to guitar playing after 20 years. I love when there comes an evening, go to my hotel room and play a bit. I just put on my headphones and I'm gone.